Today we're going to take a look at how to use a center shader. That's coming up. Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Reese. This is Weaver Leather Supply. Today we're going to be talking about how to use a center shader. Now, a center shader is the thing that we use to create shading, as the name implies, around the flower center. And you know, it's a tool that's really simple to use if you know how to use it, and it can make a dramatic impact on your tooling. So first things first, what does a center shader actually look like? Well, this is it right here, and you can see one end of it is concave, and that's the part that we want to put against the flower center. I usually make two passes with a center shader. The first was just to add the general shape and shadow to the petals. The next one is to really create the depth in the base of the petal. So as we go through and we make that first pass, I'm not going just in a big circle. I'm working petal by petal and creating shading on each petal so that I create a bowl shape on the base of those petals. Also, this is one of those stamps that we want to use on an angle. So the base of it that sits right against that center shader should be nice and tight, a good firm purchase on the leather, and then it should be roughly on a 45-degree angle so that the shading that we're creating fades as it moves away from the center of the flower. Once I've made that first pass, I'm going to go back and make a second pass, but this time I'm going to put that stamp on a much more dramatic angle. What this is going to do is when I tap it with a little bit more force than I would normally, it's going to drive the edge of that stamp down into the leather and really emphasize the pocket at the base of that petal. So if we put up a before and after shot, you can really see the difference that simple technique adds to the project. There's a lot more depth in the one that has the center shading than the one that didn't. Well, that's going to do it for this video. I will see you in the next one. In the meantime, go make something amazing.